Hey everybody, Ian here at TradeStalker.com with your recap for March 22nd, 2016. If you take a look, you can see in here we have the green levels that are the support levels and the red levels that are the resistance levels for the chart. We opened up with a decent sized gap down here from the 42 area all the way down to the 32 area, so about a 10-point gap, which was right into this second support zone here. And you can see the first time we hit that we got a decent bounce off that support zone, and then it came through, cracked it by a little bit, and that ended up being the low for the day, which took us up through this. We got a little bit of a pause at this intermediate support area, which is now resistance, and came just shy of this support area from 39 to 40, which support now being resistance, and we got a decent reaction off that before it came up through and broke through that, and then when it pulled back, acted as support again in this 39 quarter area, with no heat to speak of right here. Gave you about a 4 or 5 point bounce, came back down, cracked it again by a little bit, and moved right back through it, and then this time took us all the way up to this resistance zone at 44 to 45. You can see that the market attempted to consolidate above the resistance zone to break higher, and even on this pullback here, you did get a bounce from this 44 to 45 resistance zone up to 47.5. So a little bit of a bounce a couple times here with no heat before it finally broke through on the third time on this big bar right here. And you can see then after a little bit of a stall right here, it took us back down to that 39 to 40 quarter area where again, using it as something of a double bottom this time, you could use that as a buy, and with what is that, only a few ticks of heat at all, 3 ticks of heat, and that gave us a bounce up into the close where we just closed about a minute ago. As always, we recommend that you pick up Read the Greed Live, Mike's ebook, which explains some of the setups that work around these areas and gives a better understanding for how Mike thinks. And also, obviously, join the live chat that Mike does on Tuesday through Thursday most weeks, which where he'll be describing in real time what's going on, so you can follow along on your chart. As always, hit us up with any questions you have at tradestalker.com, and we'll look forward to speaking with you soon. Thanks.